Hi, it's Emily Stein here from Over Fitness, and this is a exercise I like to do with the two black balls here. What I'll do is you're gonna place them right at the mid portion of your back, so right before your shoulder blades, and you'll come on your back. And you'll place them dead center. You'll feel right here, and you'll bring your arms at your head. And this, what you're going to do is you're going to bring yourself forward, and you're going to reach yourself back. And it's also a good way to relieve any tension from your shoulders. So they're sitting right where your rhomboids are. You're going to inhale and exhale, and then bring yourself forward. And let your body weight just sit into the ball. And then bring your head up. And then come forward. And what you're going to do here is you're going to lift yourself up. And the balls are going to sit at the top of your shoulder blade. Now, I might warn you on this. This is for people that are rolling regularly and are experienced with this work. So this is something you can do as you progress. So I'm letting them sit at the top of my shoulder blades. And I'm going to slowly come back like this. And I'm going to slowly sit up. And just feel that. It's a nice little quick tune-up you can do when you feel any tension in your shoulder area. Thank you so much, and have a great day. Bye-bye.